So, Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge, Johnson, Thompson. You know, every year I pick 3 of the best tools you can own. Christmas time is coming up, and if you want to buy somebody something that will last and something they can use, let's take a look at number 1. Now, it's not in importance in the order, it's just the 3 best for 2024. Let's take a look at this right here. This has proven itself to us over and over and over again. We've had it for a long time. This power washer is amazing. Keeps all your nozzles right here. You can put extensions on it. In the coil, pull it out, let it back, it locks in. I could literally go around the whole back side of this motorhome to the other side with this hose right here, and that's a long way. It's a 100-foot hose on this thing. It's an amazing tool, and the cool part of it is it's got enough pressure to clean just about anything you want. All you do is turn the water on, turn the switch on, and hit the nozzle. All I'll do when I want to take this off is lift straight up and it'll come right off there, but I have to disconnect the hose here to do that. Number 2 product, number 2 tool, this stuff right here. This stuff, Julio told you where to find it, is the best car washing soap we have ever used. It's an amazing product. Whoever you buy this for, they're absolutely going to love it. And you'll find it all in the tools list below the video. I could go into it all day long, but I'm just telling you, you try this soap right here. It's loaded with graphene. You're going to be blown away by how long your car shines and how well the dirt stays off it. We are just, and we're not being paid to share these, just so you know. We're not being paid a dime to share them. Now let's go to the next tool that we believe is the best of 2024. All right, this is tool number 3 for 2024 best tools of the year. Folks, I've got to say, you don't get to see my ugly mug on this part of it here, but this soldering machine has been used extensively for hours and hours and hours since we've gotten it, and it is amazing. You cannot go wrong with it. Julio told you where to find these, but these 3 tools that we've shared with you are some of the best ones you can buy for someone in your family, and know that you're buying them something that will last and is of good quality. We added a 4th one, best tools you can buy for somebody and they will absolutely love it. Right there should last you years because it just takes a minute amount of it to do the job. Sweet Project Cars out.